What's up, guys? This is A-State Antics. Haunted houses tonight. We're trying to scare SAB. Stay tuned.
Oh crap! Y'all go that way. Will you grab that, like, the UV lights off? I have to grab some tape real fast.
You said go do what?
The black lights still on, I think?
Yeah.
We turn them off.
Gotcha.
Y'all tripping right now.
I guess this wall is falling right over here.
What is the music on?
It's trying to sync off and it is back on.
Did he come down here? Did he tell us to come down here to scare him?
Yeah, that's what I think. Because he was like the real.
Oh,
yeah.
wait,
Oh,
wait.
I knew y'all set me up.
I know. I
No, I don't come down.
Set a boy up. What if I just ran out though?
Lost it.
I turned that thing off 3 times, I promise.
Hold on. Oh, wait, hold on. Let's say get out. Wait a minute. Hold on. Wait, where you go? No, no. Wait, oh.
Who is it? Kaden? Look at all things.
I don't like this. No, I don't want to.
No, don't leave me, don't leave me.
Hey,
Let me
no.
listen.
No.
Hey, this is your little.
Oh, no.
Hey, this is your little.
Oh, no. All right, y'all. Now we got CJ with us. We're gonna get SGA. Stay tuned. Wait, did it ever go back?
Yeah, we're not even in the haunted house.
What's up, A-State? Thanks so much for coming to our haunted house, and this has been A-State Antics. Period.